So Blue and NEC is taking the ball here. So they won the toss and they will take the kickoff here. So the referee is placing the ball in the arena and the second semi-final is about to start here. It's going to be an interesting test here. Both the teams evenly matched, evenly poised. They have duelled in the past, so they know each other's weaknesses and strengths. The whistle is blown. And the first foul looks like the first foul is committed by Blue and NEC. Run off the ball here. Foul number 1. Within seconds of the whistle going, the scores there, the opponents are trying for the ball. So yes, we can confirm the intent of Blue and NEC is to attack. We will wait and see if Team GPS can block it. And that's it, not able to contain their aggression here. And yes, we have the technical affairs secretary, Mr. Meherful Avitas. Fantastic job on that one in this time.
It was your fault, so it will be there to come. You kick. So it's again your fault.
So that's it, we get confirmation here. It's a second foul. It's a second foul for Blue and NEC. Please be reminded, 4 fouls and you will concede a penalty here. Please contain your aggression. Okay, Mr. Meher, what do you think? Is the LOM going pretty well here? Please share your thoughts.
Good luck, sir. It's a very tight competition here. People is starting out.
So Team CPS is taking a free kick from a very strategic position here. Candidate got the situation score a goal. We will wait and see. This is the second semi-final of League Machine. The ball is pushed in the CPS half here. Both the balls are dueling really hard. CPS goalkeeper is right on the attack. He's come forward. He's ready to grab the ball. The ball is landed in the box now. There's an intentional of Myers. And it is a foul for Blue and NEC here. The referees say the word is final. That's a foul for Blue and NEC. No arguing there. So it's a third foul for Blue and NEC. Fourth foul and third foul. So that's it. The referee score is finally there. Blue and NEC in the aggression have committed the fourth foul. Sorry, apologies. And the conceded penalty here. The CPS goalkeeper is taking the penalty. He's got a reputation of scoring goals. He's a star. So they receive, they can convert his penalty and take the lead here. Decisively considering the evenness of the match.
Stop.
That's it. It's not a goal, it's not being able to convert a penalty. Could it be a costly mistake? Now wait and see. You have to wait and see. Where the referees are discussing, there seems to be some problem here. So it's not a goal. And Blue and NEC will now take the free kick. Blue and NEC, yes, taking the free kick. Team CPS have been unsuccessful in converting the penalty here. Will it be a costly mistake? This is turning out to be a really tight contest here. No team is going up. We can expect very few goals here. The ball is not on its out. The Blue and NEC spot with speed and position. The referee is down. Cannot break the difference of CPS and score a goal here. CPS at present, they're not able to attack in their usual manner here. The referee is going for the first ball in the CPS half. They're looking for a goal, but it's blocked very nicely by the CPS goalkeeper. The blocks are down. Yes, it's a foul. They've left the ball behind and they're battling into the box. So it's foul number 5 for Blue Line Agency. Blue Line Agency is on a Friday school. They're not having the control of the aggression and making fouls after fouls. So please be cautious. You've already conceded a penalty. You would not be penalized once more. CPS to take the free kick here. It's foul number 6. Foul number 6 for Team Blue NLC. They don't seem to stop making fouls. 3 more fouls and they concede penalty here. They made the 6th foul here. CPS will take the free kick now. At present, it seems like Blue NLC. The ball is back. The referee